Welcome back to our channel, where we bring you the latest and greatest information on the most popular companies around the world. And today, we have a fascinating topic in store for you: Coca-Cola Company. Get ready to dive into the numbers and discover some interesting insights. So, let's jump right in. Alright, let's start with some financial metrics that reveal the current state of Coca-Cola Company. Their price-to-earnings ratio is TTM 26.99 and forward 21.80. This shows us the valuation of the company relative to its earnings. A lower PR can indicate a potentially undervalued stock, and Coca-Cola's FWD PR suggests positive expectations for future earnings. Next up, we have the PG ratio, which stands at 4.52. The PG ratio helps us understand the relationship between a company's price-to-earnings ratio and its expected growth rate. In Coca-Cola's case, it indicates that the stock may be overvalued relative to its projected growth. Now, let's take a look at the return on equity and return on assets. Coca-Cola boasts an impressive ROE of 41.5% and an ROA of 10.5%. These figures reflect the company's ability to generate profits from its shareholders' equity and assets, respectively. With such strong returns, Coca-Cola is demonstrating its efficiency in utilizing its resources. Moving on to the earnings per share, we have an EPS of 2.27. This metric represents the portion of a company's profit allocated to each outstanding share of common stock. A higher EPS indicates increased profitability per share. But what about the future? Well, Coca-Cola is projecting an EPS growth of 5.97% over the next 5 years. This suggests positive expectations for the company's earnings performance in the coming years. Now, let's talk about dividends. Coca-Cola offers a dividend yield of 3%. This means that, based on the current stock price, investors can expect an annual dividend payment of 3% of their investment, which signifies $1.76 in 2022 and 50% dividend growth since 2013. Now, let's dig into the company's operational efficiency. Coca-Cola maintains an impressive operating margin of 26.1%. This figure reflects the percentage of revenue remaining after deducting operating expenses. It demonstrates how efficiently the company is managing its day-to-day operations. Additionally, Coca-Cola has a profit margin of 22.7%. This metric indicates the portion of each dollar of revenue that translates into profit. With a healthy profit margin, Coca-Cola is demonstrating its ability to turn revenue into earnings. And now, let's zoom out and examine the company's performance over the past 5 years. Coca-Cola has experienced a positive evolution of profits and income during this period. This signifies the company's consistent growth and ability to generate increasing profits over time. Alright, let's talk about the stock's performance. Coca-Cola has delivered an average price return of 0.92% over the past 52 weeks. This figure provides an insight into the stock's price movement over the last year. Last but not least, let's discuss Coca-Cola's market cap, which currently stands at a staggering $266.70 billion. The market cap reflects the total market value of a company's outstanding shares. With a significant market cap, Coca-Cola demonstrates its prominence and stature in the market. And there you have it, folks. A detailed breakdown of Coca-Cola Company's key financial figures. From their impressive ROE and ROA to their projected EPS growth and positive evolution of profits, Coca-Cola is showcasing its strength in the market. So, if you're considering investing in this beverage giant, make sure to carefully analyze these numbers and consult with a financial advisor. That wraps up today's video. If you found this information valuable, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to our channel for more exciting company breakdowns. Thanks for watching, and we'll catch you in the next one. Stay tuned for more fascinating insights.